We are John and Samantha and the proud owners of a 1986 American Ford Econoline RV, bought by us as a salvage rebuild project. The RV was bought as severely water damaged and required the interior to be completely stripped out. We plan to spend 2021 rebuilding the RV, and that work will be shown here on the channel. In 2022, we plan to take the RV on trips around the UK, taking in some stunning scenery and hopefully some wild camping, all whilst undertaking the challenges of taking such a large vehicle down narrow country lanes. Morning guys, hope you're keeping well. This morning we were going to have a go at the heater matrix. However, it's raining again, so we won't be doing that today. So myself and Rob have decided we're going to have a go at putting up some cladding. I forgot the name of it then, Rob. Some cladding. So do you want to just explain what we're going to do today, Rob?
What we've done, the cladding is only 2.4 metres long, so we can only take it 2.4 metres long. We've got a flat part of the roof from here, which we've taken back 2.4 metres.
Yeah.
If you span all the way back, John, and keep walking down, I'll explain to you the reason what we're doing down there. We now put in a strut up here, so the 2.4 metres finishes there. Now obviously continue on to the back with the join going across there,
yeah,
as we do at the front as well. But the beauty of the way we've done it is going from the back, it's not 2.4 metres, which we can obviously cut pieces down. The longest piece is going to be in the centre, 2.4
yeah,
metres. Then a slight slope going up, and then it's less than 2.4 metres to the end of the.
We're using this shower room as our datum line, aren't we?
Yeah, to make sure everything is nice and straight coming through the corridor.
Yep. Cool.
So, yep.
Let's crack on then.
Absolutely. Where are the wires coming through? What is this one?
So this is the first light that we're putting into the ceiling, Rob.
It is.
A milestone.
It is.
Okay.
Still haven't got any biscuits, by the way, guys. So it's all good.
I'm going to have a chat, mate. It's not good enough.
Just place this through.
Samantha, if you're listening, we need biscuits.
Just bear with me. And he'll go up there. He'll go up there. And we have got some clips that we need to put on there. Which we on there.
Oh, look at that.
There we go. And then we can secure that round there. Whilst we're doing it, John,
yeah,
we just test it to see if they work.
Let's give it a test.
Okay.
Let us plug in. Right, the inverter's plugged in, Rob.
Okay. So
go for it.
Test it to make sure they work.
Oh, look at that. Oh, superb. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Another little milestone.
It's coming along, Rob.
It is. It is. We've reached the point now where we're coming to the highest part of the RV, and we're actually going to slope back up to a straight piece, following on into the bedroom. So
cool.
It's looking pretty good. clear of cables. We're just going to put the last nails in of the kitchen. And we come down here. I can now cut that. Oh, good with a nail gun jack on him. There you go. Right, I can see now. And the last one, 2, and there's your kitchen. Still busy working away. Still haven't got any biscuits, but look what we've got.
Wow.
Fit for a king.
Thanks, Samantha. Okay, Rob, so just so the viewers are aware what we're doing, can we just explain where we are?
We've come to the first level, this being the first level and the second level being just behind me up here.
Yep.
We now cladded that at an angle, as you can see, and the jointing strip.
Got to cover that joint, haven't we?
Yeah, we're going to cover that and it will go in. Make sure that doesn't drop down and hit your joint, like that, across the top. And then we use stainless steel screws to actually fix that in as well. So it covers the joints up, and then there will be another one
Do the same
again going there, and another one where you make the front top bedroom as well. So
brilliant.
oh yes, coming together. There you go, I can go on to the next one. There you go.
Rob, lunch is here. It's a bit more than tea and biscuits this time though, mate.
Oh my God. We've got a stew.
Stew for lunch. That'll do nicely.
Happy days.
Thank you, Samantha. Okay, Rob, so we'll come back on this tomorrow and we'll just leave it here for today. So this video isn't ending, guys. We're still going to carry on tomorrow. You'll be back to us in a minute. Okay, so let's just show them what we've done then, Rob.
Well, we've managed to get the ceiling on completely at the front, which is nice. We are going to paint this timber, but Sammy's been in the RV now, and she likes the metal strips, so they're going to be removed. They can be painted, and then they're going to be put back on.
It's a bit like the outside of the vehicle, and it'll look really good outside as well. So
they do look good.
let's just, I'm going to go up the front and we'll just see if we can pan back to show what it looks like. I don't know how well we can do that, but how about that? Look at that. It looks so much wider, I think.
Yeah.
Looks so much wider.
You can also see the transformation, John, of what we've done here to the rear of the vehicle. We're working
Yeah.
on that, as I say.
And you look at that back there. That looks a right mess compared to this. It looks brand new now. Okay, right. We'll come back to this tomorrow. That's in a minute, guys. So, okay, let's leave that there a second. So we're back in B&Q. We need some more cladding. We've run out again. My God, this project is consuming some wood, Rob. How many are we getting, mate? Get 3, yeah?
3 for now, and I think what we can do is just pop back.
Here we go.
Overstock with loads of stuff and have loads of stuff left over.
All right. Do we need any more CLS, do you think?
We probably need a few more sticks of CLS, but we've still got some back in the garage.
Should we get a couple while we're here?
Not going to do any harm, is it?
Okay.
Not going to do any harm.
Mate, I don't know if that can be seen on the camera, but that is like, that piece of CLS is like a bloody banana. Right, we're back from B&Q, and this morning, what are we going to do, Rob?
We are going to continue and get the seating area complete, apart from the very ends till we panel the sides of the wall out. But we're just going to put a couple of more braces in here, so there's not that much bearing in the cladding, and we will crack on and see what it looks like when we've finished it.
So this is the rear of the motorhome, isn't it?
Yeah.
The rear of the motorhome.
The living quarters, the sitting quarters.
Yeah.
So,
okay.
Right. Let's get that moving in a minute. You need to look at what you work to.
Yeah, I'm not sure how well you can see that on the video, guys, because of the light shining through, but that's the toilet ceiling cladding done now, and I've just given a first coat of paint, and we've put the ceiling vent back in. Yeah, you can't see it real. Oh, there we go. Yeah, first coat of paint, lights in, tested, that's fine. Okay, guys, so I think that'll do for today in terms of the work. We are going to pop out a bit later and light the motorhome up with all the lights on and see what it looks like, see how much light we've actually got in here. But for now, myself and Rob will give you a quick tour around and show you what's been happening and show you where we've got to, and it does look really good. I'm really pleased. What do you think, Rob?
I think it looks stunning, John. It makes a difference to the whole job.
It does.
We've actually got our ceiling back after a few months.
I know Samantha's really pleased with this the metal arrangement. She definitely wants to keep that and not paint over it. Okay, so let's have a walk back. So obviously, cladded ceiling, plywood walls. They're all done. Not down the back. Still got to buy some plywood for down the back.
Another trip to B&Q.
Another trip to B&Q. Well, bill base, I think, for that one, Rob, isn't it?
I just want to just a bit of advice as well to the viewers is that careful planning. Just make sure you don't put no nails through wires.
Yes.
And just mark all your wires on the walls and on the ceiling. As I say, just with a bit of careful planning, it's easy enough done.
Yeah, sure. That's going to be a little extra kitchen side, isn't it, there?
Yeah.
There we go, into the toilet. So yes, I'll show you earlier, I've painted the ceiling with the first coat, because we need to put that vent back in. This is going to have a couple of switches on the other side. I've got to cut these out. Got to put another couple of stretchers in here to strengthen that wall. And then the living area now is fully complete with cladding. Yeah, it's looking good, isn't it? Very good. It looks so big, you know, Rob.
It does. It's as I say, it transforms each time you do a job. It transforms the whole thing, John.
Yeah.
The next one, when the plywood's on the wall down the back and that insulated, that'll transform it again.
Definitely, I can't wait to get started on this shower room. In fact, I think next week I'm going to be fiberglassing these panels in. We'll see what we can do. Okay then, guys, so we'll leave it there. You are going to see another video in a moment where we're going to come out tonight and show you the motorhome fully lit up inside, because we don't know ourselves yet how much light we're going to have in here. So fingers crossed we're going to have enough. And then we'll end the video. Excellent. And then we'll leave the video from there. So see you in a minute then, guys. And as you can see, the lighting's lovely and bright. I think we got the lighting positions just about right there. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do give us a big thumbs up if you like the videos, and please do subscribe if you haven't done so already. Take care, guys. See you soon.